Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money using a SWIFT code. Later in this video, I will also show you my favorite international money transfer service for low fees. First, what is a SWIFT code? A SWIFT code is a unique bank identifier used for international money transfers. It helps banks send money to the correct bank, country, and branch. To transfer money using a SWIFT code, first open your banking app or sign into your online banking account. Then go to the International Transfer or Wire Transfer section. Next, select the account you want to send money from and enter the recipient's full name, bank account number, and the recipient bank's SWIFT code. After that, enter the amount you want to send and review all the transfer details carefully before submitting the payment. Once confirmed, your bank will process the transfer through the SWIFT network and the recipient will receive the money once their bank accepts the transfer. That's it. That is how you can transfer money using a SWIFT code. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.